Good morning, we are the 1st of November and we'll start our morning meeting. We'll start as usual by the economic calendar. So today is quite a big day. We have at 7:30 the non-farm payroll, which is the employment statistics, very important, as we'll have also unemployment rate. The Federal Bank of Reserve is searching today for downgrading or keeping his interest rates still. We would like all to have this Federal Bank of Reserve to decrease a bit their interest rate. They will take their decision based on the unemployment rate. So this 4.1% is very important. If it's higher, 4.2, 4.3, should bring the market maybe higher. Be careful, there's no certitude on the markets, but it will bring the market higher as it will push the Federal Bank of Reserve to decrease the interest rate. If it's coming down, if it's 4%, 3.9%, maybe the Federal Bank of Reserve will keep the major interest rate as they are today. So this meeting is the 7th of November. We'll have the final answer, but today at 7:30 it's a very, very important data that we'll have today. Be careful of this. We won't have any else economic data that will change everything. So this is the main thing. We will be focused on this. On the news part, just a bit on the earnings parts. As you can see, yesterday we had down markets because we didn't have the good data on the markets through Google. So we'll check the earnings of yesterday, and as you can see, yesterday we had Apple and we had Amazon. So to know if Apple and Amazon data earnings are welcomed, we just need to click on it, and you will see that for instance here they are -1%. So it's not very welcome, but it's not catastrophic like we had AMD this week, -10%. And on Amazon, they beat estimates, and the forecast of opening is +6%, so which could be a very good idea. Should help the market to come back. We had yesterday a quite down market. We'll take just a minute to make the technical analysis just after. But as you remember, Nasdaq was down 2.7%, S&P 1.8%, which is quite important. And the VIX is 22. Look, he's back on the higher than 20. Those data gives us a bit of. We needed to have the comeback and the decrease of the markets just to keep and find new buying opportunities. We'll have this weekend. Be careful, U.S. election, which brings also a lot of volatility. So be careful of all the data you can have and all the shares you can hold. So today we don't have two big announcers. We have mainly oil, and this is all for the earnings and economic calendar. On the forex part, we have the euro-dollar is back 1.08, and we have also the crude oil and the Brent are back on track. We'll have a close look just after with the technical analysis. On the news part, Apple disappointed, but as you can see, it's just -1%. Intel gets better results than expected, and oil rallies. We just spoke about it because there's an attack on Iran that should happen. And we will wait for the US job reports to show temporarily. So on the instant part, we are looking when we are taking care of one of the best for us X channel. They give us very instant news, and when you look at this, just to show you. So each time you have like with an image, it's just a news, a classic news. But if there's nothing, if there anything happen on the markets, you just need to come to this file, and you will see. Let me check. Let me find you voilà. And they will show you just one line, so you don't know what's happening on the market. You see the market moving. Just go on this website, and you will see the main title, and to understand what is happening. If it's just market technical analysis movements, or if it's more like a news, very important news. Don't hesitate. It's a very good news channel. We have yesterday down markets, as you can see. All the technical part were very dramatically down. Microsoft, Google, Meta, everybody was down. We plan to have an open with a little rebound, so we'll see if the technical analysis gives us something. I wanted to make a shot also on the gold, because gold is very high and it's still going high, and I found a few articles on this just to show you the visual capitalists. You should go and see. It is a very good website, and they speak about gold and S&P. They speak about a lot of things. They take main global analysis global market analysis, and they furnish you in a nice picture. So starting for this picture, we can see a lot of different things, and I will put in all of these different documents file on the comment of this video. So as you can see, this is in blue S&P 500, and in yellow the gold. Here we have the COVID. The COVID brings us 30% down on the markets, but the gold didn't go down that much, as gold is very important as a reserve. And on 2022 we had 25% down of S&P 500, but the gold stayed about it and come back at its highest level. So why? Well, we have here, first of all, we have here to show you, and maybe this can bring you opportunities. In green, in gray, here it's a recession. So internet bubble. Here we have the subprime crisis. Here we have the COVID. We just saw it. As you can see, in blue there's major gold mining companies, and in yellow the gold. The gold price is still going very higher, and there's a big difference between the gold price and the main gold mining companies. And so this spread should allow us to have a close look at all the gold mining companies, as they are a bit downgrade compared to gold, which is going higher and higher. Why? So which are the main countries buying gold? First one is Russia, second one is China, then Turkey, Poland, India. You will see on the next file that they also are mining countries, so they explore gold, and they keep it from them, and they want to structure their gold. You see all these different countries, and they want to structure their gold. Why? Because, as you can see, this is the top 11 countries gold reserve. The first one is US with Fort Knox. About half of the country gold is stored in Fort Knox. In Kentucky, the rest I don't know. Germany, second country, Italy, France, Russia, and Russia is coming. China is coming, as you can see. India, you saw it. Turkish. All these countries are coming higher and higher. They are buying a lot of gold, and this is who is producing gold. China is here. You can have Kazakhstan, Indonesia, Uzbekistan. As you saw here, Turkish is here, and Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan are the most buying country. So instead of selling their gold, they keep it inside to give more power to their country, to all the country that all the good thing that holds the country, to give some more power to their change and to this new world area that we have with the BRICS. And this is why the gold market is still going and should keep on going for a long term. Last thing, a little technical analysis. So we'll see. We'll go to gold. First of all, as you can see, no need to be a very big expert in technical analysis to see that this is just a increasing trend. The gold was stuck under 2000 for a long time, for 2-3 years, and then just brings ups, and then now it's starting to go very higher and higher, and you have understood why just before. Crude oil, as we told you, petrol, crude oil or Brent are going on the same way. We have here since a year and a half. Each time you go to 67, a very nice entry point that always brings us to a quite good benefits. So we are entering again here in a buying area, and we have still for us a nice way to go up. On Nasdaq, so as you could see, this is Nasdaq. So we are still in an uptrend, very nice uptrend, going to the 21,000. For the moment, we have just a little decrease on the market, but this market will. It's very important to have this little decrease. Why? It give you more new buying opportunities for the big players, and you will see it more clearly on the S&P 500. We have here support, new level. This level is here since end of September, mid-September. So it means that we have a buyer around here, a lot of buyers at 5,700, and they are looking to go to 6,000, 6,500 in the coming months, of course, not today. So we'll see today if this support will stay and will hold the market as it's high, or if the new data and new area with the new president will change this. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very nice day with nice trades, profitable.